Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Season 5 Episode 13, the farting sound effect from Mia Farts, and the character is IRL Noella.
Oh, looks like I'm returning a few episodes later. And I'm also back after a few episodes, so that means I'm IRL Noella now. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about the farting sound effect from Mia Farts. It was heard in a video called Farting on a Go. Get your farts at Mia Fart. It was uploaded 10 months ago on November 17th, 2024. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 0:34 to 0:52. The total seconds from the video are 18. Literally, 18 seconds. Bruh, what the flick is wrong with that sound effect? This is literally getting out of hand. I'm literally frustrated about the total seconds. So, blah, blah, blah about the seconds in duration. So, I'm just going to leave it be right now. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Alright then, here's what it sounds like. Okay, that's it. Anyways, that sound effect would sound like this. This sound effect is only used for my O-season characters when they poop. Okay, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Mia Farts before using his sound effect. I'm linking this video right here, and it will be in the description. Alright, the sound effect starts at 0:34 and ends at 0:52. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.